Hey guys, so I am getting ready to get my face together and I wanted to stop for a second and give you guys a bit of a demo of one of the products that I'm actually getting ready to launch here pretty soon. And that'll be my brow soap. Super excited about that. For my brows these days, I'm liking more natural fluffy brows. You know that brow that the UK been on almost all year, if not for sure all year. I'm on that type of time. I don't have great brows. My brows aren't naturally great. That's not something that I was blessed with, unfortunately. So what do? We improvise, baby. We gotta improvise. So I have my little tin of product here, and forgive the appearance, but yep, have my little tin here, and I am going to use this for the first time today. This is the Be Original, Be Iconic brush. It came with their brow soap. I've never used this before. This is gonna be my first time. It's a clean brush. It's a new brush, unused. But usually I use just a regular spoolie, and what I'm finding is that these aren't they're not sturdy enough. They're really flimsy. So I need something with some staying power. This is a good powder and I've been asleep, but it's okay because we woke now, bitch. What I like to do is grab either I can use a setting spray. Sometimes I just use this setting spray. You can use whatever setting spray you want. I also use water, and I'm gonna use water today. And I'm not going to spray directly in the pan. I'm gonna mist the brush. Like it's a mister, okay, look. Mister. I am just, ooh, and this fits really nicely. Oh wow, this fits really nicely. I like it. Even this one, even the regular spoolie, y'all, like it's just really hard to get in, and then when you bend it to get in there even better, it don't stay, you know, so it's a whole situation. So now I am going to first start by going across, in and out, and then I'm gonna brush it up. And I'm just really, the goal here is to get that product in between these hairs. So that's why I like to smooth it back and forth and then go in. Y'all, I'm telling you, man, like just that one. Whew, child, I'm gonna do the other one. Let me mist it again. Let me mist it for the left side, okay? I'm gonna take that now, and y'all see how nicely those hairs are sitting, and they sprouting, and they doing all of that. Okay. Do the same thing. Rub it across, rub it in, and just smooth that out. Now this brow tint product, it doesn't last as long on me because of this. But if, like I said, it's not a permanent dye or anything. It's literally just a temporary dye. So I didn't expect it to just stay around all day, every day. You know what I'm saying? So it's good for what it is, for what I need it for. But we are just pushing those brows, y'all, like, let me see. Y'all see? Do y'all see that? And I like to smooth it out. So now the next step is to go ahead and seal that product. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal that with some more of the chalk dust by the crayon case, if y'all didn't know what I was talking about. So I am just gonna take a little bit of that powder on the same wedge. And this is sealing that. And this helps lock in the product. And now I'm gonna press. Now that I have that on there, I'm just gonna go in and I'm pressing up. And this will flatten out the product. Now this way that I'm doing it is the first time that I'm doing it like this. which is really interesting to be doing like that for the first time during a demo, but there are no rules, right? There are no rules to makeup. So we have it like this, and I am pretty satisfied with what I'm seeing here. So what I'm going to do now is go in with my makeup, with my actual brow pencil, and I am just going to feel like stroke it, right? So what am I wanting to say? Define? I don't know. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but just watch me. And so you see how these are kind of outside of the perimeter. I am just going to drag this spoolie here and get those shaped. And y'all see how, like, this part, they not moving. That's the brow soap. That's the brow soap. God, it's like really not moving. That's funny. So I guess it's great that my brow soap works so well, but I need him to get inside. But we'll leave him right there. We ain't gonna force him. And that's the point of this type of product. It just kind of it helps, but it still lets your brows do what they do, if that makes any sense. Ain't no pressure, no pressure. And so that little area, I'm just gonna outline, overline, whatever you wanna call it, and drag. And then I'm gonna go in this time, whatever's left over on here, and I am once again just going to lightly brush everything out. With the other side, I'm going to see how I like it when I go in with a clean, disposable spoolie. Like, this thing is so, it's a no for me, vlog. But maybe it works, we'll see. And just brush that product in. Oh, nice. Yeah, okay, I like the spoolie better. Cool. So, clean spoolie. At least that works for that. Boom. So what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna go in with the tweezer from my brow kit. I absolutely love this tweezer, you guys. And so you see these little hairs kind of down here. I'm gonna pluck those on both sides. We have a couple of stray babies over here. We're gonna get those plucked. So give me just a second. Ooh, that one hurt. Oh, my eye water. Wait a minute. That was only the second pluck. Oh. Oh, oh, that hurt. Okay, so is beauty pain or nah? That's what they say. Ooh. Ooh. Look, I literally. Ooh. Okay, so that's what we have at this step so far. I am going to go ahead and carve them out so you guys will see kind of what they look like when they're all finito. Alrighty, folks, so now that I've gone in, I've done my brows, I've groomed them on camera, I've soaped them or laminated them on camera, I've filled them in, and I've color corrected my skin. So now I am just going to go ahead, finish my face, and come back to show you what this all looks like when it's put together, because I know this against my brown hair, it could look pretty intense. So I'm gonna get it together and I'll be right back. Hang tight. Hi guys, so I am finished. So I rushed through the face, and this is the final look that I got. I really enjoy this brow soap. This is more of a glam brow because I did have plans on doing I guess, such a face. If I was going more natural, I would have done the brows just a little bit lighter, again, to balance out the color of the hair and the amount of makeup used. But I didn't put any lashes on or anything of that nature. So this is like a everyday glam type situation. So I am going to get up close and show you guys my brows. This is my good brow, so I'm gonna show y'all that one. Forgive the lace. Y'all know, listen, these cameras be clocking, honey. I don't care, but you can take it as glam as you want it. You can leave it as natural as you want it with my products. I really do not only enjoy the brush that I used for this today, but I've tried, guys, I've sampled, let me see, probably 3 to 4 different brow soaps, not including my own. So I've compared mine against the Iconic London, okay? I've compared it against the Patrick Ta. And the one that I'm missing is the Makeup Revolution. I've compared it against the Makeup Revolution. I've worn all of these. I've seen how they've reacted or settled after a full day's wear. I've weighed the pros, I've weighed the cons, and this is not a biased opinion. I feel like my brow soap is that deal. If you guys are interested in ordering the brow soap, I was going to do a brow spoolie with it, but after using this brush, I may have to redo some stuff. I wanted to give the girls and or guys something to work with. So I may actually go back to the drawing board and do my research on maybe offering a brow brush. I hope you guys liked the video today. I hope it was super informative. If you do have any questions or anything of that nature, you know how to contact me. You know how to contact me, okay? You know my socials, you know my tags, you know where I be. In case you don't know though, I am Tiara Linda on Facebook. I am It's Tiara Linda on Instagram. Tiara Linda MUA also on Instagram is my makeup page. I'm on Clubhouse as It's Tiara Linda. I am on Twitter, I think, as Tiara Linda MUA, if I'm not mistaken. So some variation of my name I am on across all social media. I'll go ahead and put the tags to that below. Stay tuned for any type of announcements that we have coming up regarding the product launch. I'm telling you, I have stuff coming your way that you do not want to miss. 2021 is going to be an amazing year, and I cannot wait to take this thing by storm. So final look of the brows of the face 2. This face will hit with some lashes, y'all. Yes, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or you are interested in placing an order, hit me up. I got you. I'm talk to y'all later. Bye.